Hi, boys and girls. So, one of the things we're trying to do now in fifth grade is talk about how matter is made of these particles so small they cannot be seen with our eye. And how can we prove this? Especially because we are not together and we don't have powerful microscopes to look down at these things. So, there's one model I'm going to try and use here to help do this as an example. So, right here, I've got 3 glasses of water. They all have 1.5 cups of water. I measured it out before. This cup, I placed the water in the microwave for a minute and a half. This water's been sitting out, so it's room temperature. And this water, you can see I added 2 ice cubes, and it's been sitting in my refrigerator for a while. So all I'm going to do is add 2 drops of food coloring to each one. And I'm going to hold a white piece of paper behind so that you can see it pretty easily, because right now it's kind of where you have me behind it, it's harder to see. So let me go ahead and open my food coloring. Okay, and we're going to start with the hot. Okay, and then the room temperature. Are you seeing differences already? And then last, the cold water. So boys and girls, as you're watching this, I want you to think about what differences did you observe? How did the food coloring react differently to this hot water, room temperature water, and cold water? Let's see if we can get that cold water a little more light. There we go. Now, and as you're thinking about the differences you saw as the food coloring was placed into the water, I also want you to think about, how does this model or this demonstration prove that the water is made of tiny pieces or particles? How does this investigation show that the water isn't just one thing? How do I know that there's thousands and millions of little particles of water in this cup instead of just one thing of water?